Hey guys, thank you very much for making to stop by my channel Success Challenge 17. In this quick video, I just want to show you some reasons why I have joined $25 one up and the reasons for you to also join $25 one up right now. Okay, I'm just in my admin area and this is how it looks like. Or you can see some tabs here: dashboard, my accounts, my business, gold products, platinum products, diamond products, enterprise products, elite products. These really are products that are involved. Each of this is fully packed with digital trainings and tutorials on how to crush it online and how to actually dominate the online marketing space. Okay, each of these, as I said, you just learn while you earn at the same time. Each of these is is a stream of income. So we have 5 streams of incomes here. Each of them paying you 100% instant commissions, starting from $25 to $1,000 per sale. And each of this is just one time you picked it, and you can earn from it unlimitedly for lifetime. Indeed, no monthly fees in this system. You are paid 100% instant commissions on daily basis. You can get paid multiple times, 100 times or whatever, without needing to wait for a week or a month. So this is the reason why I have decided to join it, and it's really working. You can see that you also be building your email list, and at the same time you also be making some income. You can see that follow up is already done on your behalf. Some emails have already been sent. I didn't know about them, but they are being sent. And referrals, it's easy to get referrals with this system. We have got the system here. This is an introductory video for every newcomer. Even if you don't know anything about online business, this is how to get started with it. If you cannot even copy and paste, you'll be taught how to do it right now. Okay, so it's just an amazing thing here I want to show you. So let me just open one of the slides here and show you something. So we have got a whole lot of features about this system. No skills required to do and earn, no monthly fees. It pays 100% commission several times daily. No need to wait to get paid. All tools integrated in one hub: landing pages, autoresponders, hosting, tracking, and so on and so forth. No monthly subscription to any of this. You get high converting pre-made ads copy. You just paste on social media and people will contact you for info. Indeed, you decide how you get paid. You can be paid via PayPal, Cash App, Bitcoin, Stripe, Oru, MoneyGram, and so on and so forth. You decide. Also, there are 5 different ways to earn. As I said, potentially you can earn unlimited commissions of $25, $100, $250, $1,000, even $500 and more. We have strong Facebook support training for every member. You ask questions and you even get more answers than you need. You can do it with your smartphone, your tablet, and then your computer. And this is what good is in that it is worldwide. It means you can do it with anybody in any part of the world. Okay, so that is it. The link is in the description of my video. So these are some of the reasons why I joined it. As I said, you keep up to 100% of the commissions. This actually pays you in residual income, and there are no monthly fees. Indeed, what happened, as I said, you have all the funnel setup, even with the autoresponder emails follow up. You can see it when I showed you the other part here, where you saw something like email sent. Have you seen it here? That's the power. So these things are lined up here. Each of them will be sent from day to day. Okay, on succession. This all will be sent. So if somebody who has opted into your site, if that person really is someone who is interested in making money and the person actually takes action, which we need, we only need people who take action here. So when the person takes action, really, by the time these emails finish following up, the person would have joined. If the person doesn't join, it means you don't need the person in the business. That's not a serious person. So all this will be running on your behalf. While you are sleeping, they are doing the marketing and training the person with the videos on your behalf. Once they join, and you are going to earn from that. So that is it. This is what we call automation. Also, you'll be building your email list with this system. So most people don't make money online because they don't have the right tools. They don't have the follow-up, the autoresponders, because you can't go outside. If you go outside to render the services of autoresponders like ClickMagick or Aweber, you'll be spending over $30 per month. And the lead capture pages that you get, if you could go anywhere for them, like ClickFunnels, you'll be paying anywhere more than $97 every single month. Why not just spend $35 one time and then you get started with something like this that can change your life? You see, this is the nature of the system, and this goes to any online marketing sales funnel. If you actually want to make it big, you should have all these tools. Okay, you don't need to just send people to your raw affiliate link. That's what most people online are doing, and they're not making any money. First, you need a landing page that will have a lead magnet. The lead magnet is the information that is given out on the first page the person lands on concerning your product. What's it telling the person? In this case, we tell you you can earn unlimited $25 up to even $1,000 starting in 72 hours. So why the person will be eager to want to know why. So they have to get more information. They need to what? Give their email address out. Okay, so that's the work of the landing page, and this is where you get their email and you start the follow-up process. How you remember? Then when the person opts with their email, then they get what? They then get to the sales page. The sales page, that's where the video then does the full the presentation for you. You don't need to do this. You're not doing that. The video is doing all the telling and selling for you. You see the testimonial videos to actually tell them, show them the proofs, everything. That is it. Then if they start with it, they get started instantly. I've done that, and I've seen a couple of accounts being created and even sales being made. And then once they see the sales video and they don't buy for the first time and they go away, you remember the emails samples as I showed you, they will keep on following up with them on daily basis. That's what you call email follow-up. They will tell them more about the offer from day to day, time to time. So that is actually what is going to increase the leads. Remember the money. Remember, the money is in the list and in the follow-up. Okay, all these are done on 99% automation. While you are sleeping, this is being done on your behalf. Then this is where then the sales come in. As I said, when the follow-up is done, that's where more money comes in. This is where the earnings then start. Okay, I hope you have seen the power of it. So every online marketing system needs to be set up in such an environment. If you're actually promoting an offer that don't have all these things, in fact, you are just wasting your time and you are leaving money on the table. That's the main reason why I love this system, $25 one up, and I'm not going to pay for any of this on monthly basis. It's just all one time. That's all. Need to get started. So check below in the description of my video. You get a link and go join. I'm going to help you. I'm going to show you my secret daily tips. You are going to get decent lead capture pages like this. You have got several of them. You can decide to choose which one you wish to promote. But each of these definitely will lead to the sales page, and the video will do the explanation and everything for you. I hope you got it right. So again, this is just the typical my admin area. This is how it will look like. Everybody who joins get access to this. Okay, you can see your contacts, you see your resources. Oh, that's where the training is, the step-by-step guides, everything, the pre-made copied ads that you can just copy and paste. Everything is there for you. We have got a leaderboard. You see those who are leading on daily basis, weekly basis, and even monthly basis. And then you can if you have any support, any question, you can ask for support. And remember, we also have a Facebook group that actually helps everybody. Okay, so that's the city I wanted to share with you. That's $25 one up for you. It's really very, very much amazing. You don't need any skills to get started with it. It pays you instant 100% commissions. You can get started in 10 minutes or less. You get all these tools all integrated in one hub. Okay, so that's 99% of the work will be done by the system, and the 1% is just for you, which of course we teach you and is very easy to do. So check it out. If you're really someone who is interested in changing your financial situation, I'll advise you to check below the link and then to keep it up. I'll leave my email and my contact or WhatsApp number. Feel free to reach out to me. I will help you. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this video.